Frederick County Executive Jan Gardner unveiled legislation to help identify and address issues of inequity within Frederick County government. Her bill would establish by law an Office of Equity and Inclusion, including the position of Chief Equity and Inclusion Officer. It would also create an Equity and Inclusion Commission to serve as an advisory commission to the County Executive, County Council, and the Office of Equity and Inclusion. The creation of both the office and the commission was recommended by the Equity and Inclusion Leadership Team, which issued its final report last month.
We must identify and address issues and systemic barriers that continue to produce inequities and unfair outcomes for those who have been historically marginalized in our society.
There's been a genuine interest in Frederick County about advancing diversity, equity, and inclusion. But interest is one thing, but a commitment to make change is something else. And so the legislation being put forward does express that level of commitment that's needed.
A copy of the proposed legislation can be found online at frederickcountymd.gov/equity. Frederick County was named among the healthiest communities in the nation, according to a recent U.S. News and World Report ranking. The county ranked among the top 10% of counties nationwide. Communities were ranked based on several criteria, including access to housing, food, and care. Metrics focused on the economy, equity, health, environment, and community vitality. Frederick County scored a full 10 points higher than the average for Maryland counties in the 2001 listings, with a score of 70 out of 100. Top performance measures for Frederick County included the economy, public safety, and education. The Frederick County Division of Fire and Rescue Services will welcome 16 new members to the department. The 28-week Academy for Recruit Class 29 began on January 4th, 2021. The firefighters participated in over 850 hours of coursework, which included emergency medical technician, emergency vehicle operator, hazardous materials operations, firefighter safety and survival, and much more.
The skills that they get while they're in the Recruit Academy is the foundation. We teach the basics. We try to have them master the basics prior to them departing from here. And from here, then it's on them for the remainder of their career to build from that foundation.
Well, we're very proud of the classes that we graduate here from the Training Academy. They've all done a stellar job to meet all the associated requirements to be Frederick County firefighters. But these most recent classes have really gone far above and beyond, as they've been challenged to understand how COVID-19 has affected our emergency responses on a daily basis. So not only have they learned their basic firefighter, rescuer, EMT, hazardous materials response protocols, they've also been challenged to learn and abide by our COVID protective measures that keep both our responders and the public safe.
Thank you to the recruit class for choosing to serve the citizens of Frederick County and for choosing a career to help other people.